na, spirit of my song. 121 guns, lay up your heart. Wala na akong tao. Into the sky. 121 guns, lay up your heart. Asa na kaya ang asawa ko? Siguro may babae na talaga yun. Sir Lassie Farm, if my husband have new wife, please give me also give me also one of your friend. A single one. Ay, nako. And 21 counts. Lay up your hands into the fire. You and I. And you're at the end of the road. Di pa ako tawa sa work ko. Ano ba ginagawa mo dyan? 121 guys. Bola ko. Nag-zero viewers na ako, te. I have to drive now. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Oh, I'm also 1 hour na. 1 hour na rin ako, te. Thank you so much. Take care. Wow. I am 1 hour na. Thank you so much for coming, Sir Lassie Farm. See you on my next live, please. Thank you so much. And take care, Lassie Farm. I have to drive. Yeah, drive your big truck. Why is it so too big? Ingat ka dyan. Yeah, I am afraid of the flood because the flood is in our doorstep na. It's the one hit of the rain. It's gonna be here inside the house. 121 guys, lay up your hands into the fire. Bye, ingat. Lay up your hands into the skies. Pula-pula na ng mata ko. Wala, 30 na pala bukas. Lay up your hands into the fire. You and I. Na 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 na. Na, 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 don't forget. Tinanggal mo ang floor mats? Hindi pa. Andyan pa rin. Oh. When you're at the end of the road. Hindi ko matatanggal agad-agad yan. Bye. 121 guys. Lay up your hands into the sun. You and I. 3 million in the house. Please hit the like. When you come here and you come down and you come here. Laban bawi. One 21 guys. Lay up your hands into the Salamat sa 3 million in the house. Thank you so much. Sir Lassie Farm, Ate Pets, Ate Nature, Ate Pets, Ate Stoneheart, Ate Pets. Ow. Wala wala pa akong ano, wala pa akong